Hey YouTube, what's up? So, I'm making a new intro to my whole channel. So it's going to be my intro. It's going to just change slightly depending on what I'm doing. And I need to write down some numbers because I decided to work backwards in the keyframe. I found out you can't work backwards, you gotta work forward. I already got 2 or 3 of the keyframes done. I couldn't find a freaking pencil. Found one. Do you see my issue here? Well, I'm a maker, because I do a lot more than just computer programming and videos and stuff. This is how a maker sharpens their pencil. And a sort of overkill, right? Surprisingly, it takes a while. Long freaking while. Almost there. It may not be pretty, but he better writes. And that's how a maker sharpens his pencil.